Good morning. I hope everyone is good. Now I want to share my some knowledge in this video. I have created one beautiful card. It is a responsive and on mouse over showing the 3D animation effect role. You can see the front and back and both part and in circle and also here responsive. It is just one design idea. Let's start. I have opened already here HTML file and inside I open the live browser. So just first I create CSS file style.css and link. First I want to link here CSS and second thing I want to add here a bootstrap file. Bootstrap only I linked here is grid, bootstrap grid, otherwise no need. So one I have created one vendor folders and here is some requirement. Another framework I have added here. So things. Now let's start. First I add here is one background body basic color. Its CSS is working or not, just I want to check. Okay, not working. So things one I did some mistake I think. Okay, here is style sheet I need. Okay, style I to type only style, but here is style sheet. It's working fine. Now I want to change some another color, so let's it purple like a purple shade. Okay, I take first section tag, then another one is div tag, class one tag container, another class is container. Inside I add one row and here is call md12 and then I take one another HTML head tag, head one, type here you can type any text. I'm just typing type of burger. Now I'm taking another div and like a row and I need here is 4 column. So first class I add call md4 and now here I'm taking first inside div I add one div class card and after that I take another div class inner and next is take another div, add a class here is front end and okay. Now take another div, I put the class here is back. Okay, now next I took one head tag. Okay, yeah, I add here is image in front end and alert. Okay, image is shown. Nice. Now okay, now add here is one heading burger. Veg burger. Okay, now comes in CSS. First card, position relative and perspective 100 pixel, sorry 1000 pixel it is very important. CSS property for 3D animation. Class, I want to add here is one class like a section. Here I want to margin 0 and padding 0. Now is perfect. Now section, color code, text color code is I want to here is white, and now I want to add here is padding top and bottom, and left right is 0. So just I am adding, but here is font style is not looking good, so I want to change the font family. First I search in Google font, search in Google font, I'm searching, I'm checking here the Roboto, get embed, click here is this icon and get embed code. Okay, now here I click import, copy and paste here in top of the CSS. Okay, yes, I added. Now font family, copy paste and put your body tag. Okay, now it have work. Let's see, refresh the page and change the font family is changed. Now I like Roboto font. Okay, so that the thing I use this font. Now actually I want to text in center. The head one is center, font weight I am thinking because thick, because it is a heading, and so right here I want to also font size is increase like a big font size. So I am using here 4 rm. Now margin I want to spacing heading and between in the card, so I am increasing the spacing, margin spacing. Now let's I check here is inner class. I put the some CSS here, inner, and position relative. First I give position relative. Now in position and front and back end, to give here spacing, front, and copy. Okay, inner and back. Okay, I'm giving here CSS property like border radius is 50. Okay, it is not reflected here. Okay, no worry. Now it not effective. Now again now put the another CSS here, position relative, width 250 and height also 250, because I want to radius circle style so that the thing width and height is equal, and here overflow is hidden. Okay, now a circle, but looking is not good. Now position absolute and width 100% and height is 100%. Okay, now a circle is showing, but I want to put the width and height to card. Okay, now here I put the width 100% and height also 100%. Okay, now comes here. Okay, now okay, height is 300 pixels and width also is 300 pixels. Okay, nice. Here is I want to some border 2 pixels solid like red. Now here is showing putting border, not a border or already here put the inner. Is perfect. Now I put here is double border style, so I am using here is outline 3 pixels and 3 is the offset. Okay, I think it's not working. No worry, I give here is separately, not working. Offset, offline offset have some property in CSS, so I am giving here another 30 pixel. And remove here soiled. I'm using here is soiled. Okay, now it's coming. Now color is not looking good, so I want to change the color code yellow, and I want to increase the border and offset. We want to make his beautiful like so I want to change some properties. Now let's come transition is a transformed using transform, and timing is 7 and easy. Okay, now here it transform style is okay, pre-reserved as 3D. Now come here in the card. Now I want to here is over effect, so over effect, come inner do rotate, transform rotate y, only y axis. I give here 180 degree. Okay, it's working, nice. Now come here and I want to change back style, so put the background color white. Okay, front and back end is showing white. To do one thing, transform y rotate 180 degree. Okay, now its rotate is fine. Now here is rotation is working. I need to check. Okay, everything is fine here. Now come here, front, IMG, position absolute with 100%, height 100%, object fit cover, no content. Okay, now image is not showing again. Okay, back face visibility, I not using back face visibility is hidden. Okay, now it's looking perfect. I want to change the border. Okay, now animation is working properly. Now I want to change here some text. I want to add here some text like 50%. Okay, just let's and more. I give some style here. Color code is red. Font size 3rm. Okay, justify content center, display flags, alignment item, vertical alignment no, alignment item, is center. Okay, now I want to increase the font size. Okay, now font weight. It's perfect. Now copy and paste. Now here come in responsive is not looking properly, so the thing I am using here margin bottom 50 pixel. Now I need to increase 80. It is perfect. Okay, perfect, it's looking good. Now color looking is so dark, I want to light color. Okay, I changed the color but my border color is not looking good, so now I want to change after some. Now first I am changing here my section, this one, text change. Okay, and spacing also increasing, color is black, now is looking good. Type of the burger. Now card heading, text alignment center. Okay, actually here I am giving some information like a burger, veg burger, it's not showing, right? So that the thing why it is not showing. So just I am adding here is CSS some and increasing font size. Now it's not showing. Bottom 30 pixel, 50 pixel. Okay, do one thing, I am removing here is, and after inner out of div. Okay, it's showing. Okay, I'm changing every column. Remove here, paste in card div. Also it's remove here to the inner container and paste the card div. Okay, now it's showing it properly. Now I want to decrease the font size. Okay, it is a not decrease, no, like it taking section font size. So do one thing, I am adding one class. Like a heading. Okay, showing perfect. Now card space h1 tag is taking the CSS. I want to give some spacing. Now again increase the spacing. And now also I am changing the text and images. Now I want to change the outline color and borders. I'm using some dark color. Okay, now it's looking perfect. But here I want to change the something in column because easy responsive is not looking good. God, Mindy. $1,200 card with his $2,100 pixels because I want to decrease the card size. I want to change your max width. Okay, I think it's not taking here. It is a not 1200 screen resolution. Now I want to increase the screen resolution. Now I refresh. Also it's not looking perfect. Okay, now I need to increase. Let's check. Now it's perfect. Yes, perfect. Guys, please subscribe me and please follow me and support me. I have very good ideas for designing.